Hey guys, today we're talking about Khloe Kardashian. If you don't know what's been going on with her, she had a photo that came out and it was supposed to be like this natural, unedited, unfiltered photo that was so horrible. She had to go out of her way to like threaten people to remove it, like, put out like legal statements and have people's profiles deleted because of this photo. Now, when I heard that, I was like, what type of photo is it? Like, ooh, is it like her butt crack is showing or she have like rolls or something? Like something that we would not expect, right? No, the picture on the thumbnail is what it is. And she looks normal. This is so weird. This is so like only a Hollywood person, I feel, would feel so passionately about it, because that looked like a good photo to me. The only difference that I see is like, yeah, she's not posed in a like, the sexy way or like showing her actual curves that she has, and she's not tan. But besides that, like her body looks the same to me, which looks good. Like she looks like she's healthy. She looks like she's happy and living her life. Can we just bring normal like lifestyles back? Let's stop always posting pictures that are filtered and edited and like always pose. Like post a picture of like somebody actually like walking and talking. No, well, maybe not post it, but like take pictures actually in the moment. That looked like an old school type of picture where she was actually living her life. And I feel bad that she really looks at that picture and says like, ew, remove it. Like there has to be something psychologically wrong with her. I think that she probably has body dysmorphia, because that picture, she doesn't look any different. She doesn't have makeup on, of course, or whatever, but I think we've all seen the Kardashians unedited. You can go back and watch like the old clips from the show, and then you can see how they really are.
Why would you do that?
I don't think it's fair that people are forcing something down my throat. They really need to back off.
I don't get it. And then the way that she responded to all of the hate that she was getting, because of course people are like, what the heck is wrong with you? Why are you going so hard to remove this photo? She decided to say that she has been bullied and been considered the ugly sister and fat sister and all this stuff. Which honestly, I know that that can take a toll on somebody's like confidence, for sure. She definitely gets points for that. But the Kardashians paved the way for this like fake look. The Kardashians definitely like started this trend of everybody needs to look perfect and having these plastic bodies. And the fact that they have not even owned up to getting work done, it really bothers me. And at the end of the day, like, people are still going to see you and how you really are. Like, if people see you out in public, you're going to be able to know what somebody is really like. So I don't get why people are so hurt whenever you're seeing, you're like, that's really how you look, Anyways, I don't feel bad for her at all, because of all of this that the Kardashians have put out there. It's hypocrisy. They have been selling, flat tummy tees and waist trainers and said, this is how my body transformed. And it's like, get real. Don't do that. Obviously, everybody has insecurities, but the way that you handle it is not by like pointing the blame and saying, because you bullied me, this is why I need to have filters. No, you set the trend. You made it seem like you look perfect, and now the real you came out and you can't just accept it. What she should have done was said, yes, bitch, this is how I look and I look damn good. But instead, she's been like just chasing this dream. I don't know what she wants to look like. I feel like her face and body changes a lot. And that's a whole other issue. But I really hope that this was like just a humbling experience. I think it's really crazy that Kardashians have that much power to like delete photos. Because you do remember Kim Kardashian, like when she had those cellulite pictures come out? I tried to Google it for this video. They're not there anymore. What the heck? I am blown. That's not fair. I think everybody deserves to have, you know, an unflattering picture out there. It's very humbling. But that's all I have to say. If you've made it this far, please make sure that you're subscribed and hit the notification bell. I'm gonna start posting videos on like hot topics and stuff, so leave some down below if you have any ideas for me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.